Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's English class. My name is Ibuka Ebozwe. We're having oral English today, and under that, we'll be taking a look at consonant sounds. First of all, we know consonant sound is a speech sound that is produced by a full or partial stoppage of the breath. That the sounds don't come out freely because there's a break in flow of air. So the meaning here says a consonant is a speech sound which is produced by a full or partial stoppage of breath. Some consonants such as T, D, and F are oral sounds because the air stream flows out through the mouth of their production. The consonants M and N are nasals because the air stream flows through the nose for their production. Just like if we want to pronounce the M sound and the N sound, we'll say and the air now doesn't come out through our mouth, but rather it passes through the nose. Consonants such as B, D, G, and K are voiced consonants because their airstream from the lungs are not obstructed as the vocal cords vibrate for their production. B, D, G, and K, that we can pronounce them in B, D, G, K. So now we could see that the air actually are stuck in the lungs and makes the vibration heavier. Consonants such as P, T, K, and F are voiceless because the airstream is obstructed as the vocal cords do not vibrate for their production. If we want to pronounce P now, we'll do P, T, K, and F. We could see, if you didn't hear me, let me repeat myself. P, T, K, and F. So the next slide, we'll go to the 24 consonants of the English alphabet are listed below here in this tabular form with their phonetic symbols and the examples of words containing them. There are a lot, 24, because we'll have 5 major vowel sounds and then one sound which is the Y, which can either be a consonant or vowel depending on where it is placed. So these 24 consonant sounds can be the B, D, F, H, J, V, W. These are the ones here now on the screen. And if we look at the B, the B representing B or BB, we could see the examples using those sounds: bug, box, book, robe, grab, abbey. If we look at the D sound, we could see the representing letters there, and we'll go for dog, digger, drum, deed, old, daddy, duster. The next one, the F consonant, and the sound goes for F. We could see phone, fish, fruit, cough, flower, laugh. Now, the GH in this particular form brings the pronunciation of the F sound, the F, like laugh, phone. So we'll go to the next one, the H. We'll have the hen, han, ho, hon, house, handle. The next one will be the J, which the representing letter is Y. So we'll have yam, you, yes, yard, young, I, yellow. So we'll have the V, van, vest, valley, valve, very, vein, veil, vice. We'll have the W, which can also have representing letters with WH. Water, well, woman, why, when, white, wheel, wall, whip. And then we still have the repeated why and went. Okay, the next one should be K, the consonant sounds K, L, M, N, P, R, S. So if we are to pronounce them, we have K, L, M, N, P, R. That's the R should be re, and S for the S. So if it's for the K, we'll have the representing letters as the K, C, K, C, and CK, as in kites, K2, candle, cup, knock, kill, kick. We'll have the next one, the L, as in lamp, leaf, lizard, lion, lily, love, letter. The next one is the M sound. The phonetic symbol is M, the representing letter is M, and then MM. We'll have mat, mango, man, moon, dam, mommy, maid. We'll have the next one, the N sound, the N consonant sound, and we'll have representing letters as N, K, N, and also NN. So we can have nail, neck, needle, nose, nine, none, not, sunny, no. So the next one is the P sound. We have the P and also have the PP as the letters representing the P sound. We have pot, pan, pig, parrot, pear, spare, pepper, push, pull, apple. So we'll have the next one, the R consonant representing letters R and also RR, as in rat, rake, radio, ram, race, rice, room, red, arrow, arrange. So the next one is the S. We'll have the S, the C, the SS, the SC, as in snake, son, cell, saint, assembly, message, salmon. We'll have salmon. We'll have scissors. We'll have salt. So the next one is the Z, which have the ZZ, as in zoo, zebra, zigzag, zero, zone, zip, zeal. The next consonant is the S sound, which is for sh, sh. So we have the S, the SH, the SS, and the SU. That's for shoe, shell, shop, mission, machine, shore, show. We'll have the G. We'll have the representing letters as G, GH, GG, as in goat, gone, girl, gong, digging, ghost, gift, good, God. So we'll have the Z, the Z consonant, as in saw, measure, measure, treasure, treasurer, vision, pleasure, fusion, the J, that's the Z sound. So the next one is the N. We'll have the NG, as in singing, ringing, ring, sing, bring, gang. So we still have the ch, This is the ch sound. That's for the ch and tur, as in chain, chalk, church, picture, charge, chair. So we'll have the next one as in t, and the words there should be t and also tt, as in tap, tree, toad, table, tape, test, little, tomato. We'll have the next one, the schwa voiceless sound, as in month, mouth, tent, teen, thief, thick. The next one is the voiced then, this, them, the, father, mother, gather. If we notice between the voiced and the voiceless, we'll know that the voice has the vibration in it and the voiceless doesn't have that vibration in it. Like if we use thin and the, month and then, month, then, we could notice that vibration in then than in month. So we'll go to the last one, the J, the G, E, and the G letters representing the J sound. This is the J sound, like in jar, George, jog, jet, jot, joy, jump, just, gene, ginger. So that's it. You can even see this Jew sound in education. So move on to the next one, which is the exercises. So I hope you've learned something from this brief consonant sounds which we shared in our class for today. This exercises is for you to express yourself and also develop yourself. Name the consonants underlined in the following words. Thank you.